Hello Jelly Babes, I have joined another inspiration challenge. My inspiration was this top left picture here, but you got to choose from any of these pictures that you wanted to. If you want to join them, the next challenge, then go follow them on Instagram at the inspiration challenge and wait for the next prompt. So I have already gone ahead and applied white to all of the nails, and then I'm going to be using a Melody Susie pink polish. And what I'm going to do is apply basically pretty much half the nail with this pink polish. It doesn't need to be a perfectly straight line either, because you'll be going over that. And I'm also going to do the same on the pinky nail, but the pink will be the other half of the nail. I'll just quickly show you here. And then because this is a gel polish, you do need to cure it in your lamp. The cure times are on the screen. So I'm going to pop these in the lamp now, and I'm going to apply a second coat off camera. And this is how it looks. Then I'm going to be getting my Moyou Explorer plate. It's number 30. And I'm going to be using this sort of larger sort of solid image here. I'm going to be using my clear jelly stamping polishes, and I'm going to be using this Born Pretty one, and I'm going to be using my much loved clear jelly stamper, the Big Bling, or the Big Bling XL or something like that. So I'm going to blend this colour with the white, because if you look at the picture that I've took the inspiration from, it kind of goes lighter as it goes like up the door kind of thing. So that's what I'm trying to recreate with this one. So you want to get rid of the bits that you don't want going onto your nail. And I'm just going to place it here, like so. And I'm going to do that until all of the nail is filled up. Obviously, if you aren't, like, you can't stamp or anything like that, you could probably do the same gradient with like a sponge. But I just thought this is so much easier and so much quick. Well, maybe not particularly easier. Well, I found it easier. But it's quicker drying time. And it doesn't really matter if there's like lines in it, because it kind of adds to the look that you're going for. So I've gone ahead and applied a matte top coat, and it will have cured that in my lamp. Now, going back to the nails where it's half pink, I have done this same gradient on the other half of the nail, and I just wanted to add that white line that you got from like the frame of the door. So that's what I'm doing here. Didn't quite go to plan, but I'm just kind of like went back over it again. Just pressed that little bit harder and it managed to stay on, and obviously I got rid of the bits that I didn't want. Then I got out this gorgeous flower plate from Marianne Nails, and I'm using another Born Pretty stamping polish. This one is one that can stain your stampers, so just be careful which one you put it on. It didn't stain my clear jelly stamper, thankfully. And basically I'm just adding these flowers kind of coming down the nail like so. But how gorgeous are these colours together? And I'm just adding it again, but I went to the other side of the plate because it kind of does it at a different angle. So that's what I did with this. Then I'm going to be using my Uberchic plate, and using this image here. Now, you would, basically what I'm trying to say is you want to do this first before you do the flowers, because it is a bit more difficult to try and line it up afterwards. So that's what I did, as you can see here. And then I went ahead and just added the flowers and some little white flower details as well. And that is your mani completed. And I was really loved how this look came out. It's perfect for spring. It's very pretty. I love the colour combos together. So I really hope that you guys like it too. And this is how it looks when I put my fake nails onto my own nails. So yeah, so I'd love to know what you think, Jelly Babes. So please let me know in the comments box below. Be sure to check out everybody else's fabulous designs using the hashtag #TheInspirationChallenge over on Instagram. I think there's going to be some real pretty designs coming off of this inspiration prompt. So thank you, Inspiration Challenge, for putting this collab thing together. I really do enjoy taking part in them. So yeah, so that is it for today, Jolly Babes. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.